I'm standing on the sacred royal site where the kings and their families of the kingdom of Amakgakgabe are resting. In front of me is this lion, the symbol of the royal family of the kingdom of Amakgakgabe. Where we are standing, the three kings in the genealogy of the Kgakgabe kingdom are resting here, who are King Velile Sandile, King Mxolisi Sandile, and King Maxhoba Khawuleza Sandile, and their families and relatives, together with Prince Mpondo Zimile Mntwini Sandile. The three kings are resting here, and their brother, their mothers, and their wives. The kings and princesses, the queens, are here. On my right, as the camera goes down, are the headquarters of the kingdom of Amakgakgabe, under the reigning king, Jonguxolo Sandile Avulwandle, who is the son of Maxhoba Khawuleza Sandile, from the house of King Mxolisi Sandile, who comes from King Velile Sandile, from the house of King Faku Sandile, who was born by King Gonya Sandile, the son of King Sandile I, who died or fell or departed in 1877 during the War of Ngaichibi at the time, which became the last war of the 100 Years' Wars that were fought by Amaxhosa. It's such a rare privilege as the counselor to the kingdom of Amakgakgabe to come and visit here, this sacred royal place. This is such a special place in the kingdom of Amakgakgabe. We are here standing in this place, and thank you so much for taking me here, Prince Xolani Sandile, who led me here to this place. Ndiyabulela kakhulu, mntana omhle, enkosi.